Hello everyone, today I will show you a function which I really struggled with until I figured out how to do it, which is how to get private key from x509 certificate. The first thing you need to do is you need to add three imports: common crypto, security and CryptoKit. You need to have some test certificate, which is this one here, and this is the function that prepares key from the certificate. An x509 certificate is a digital certificate that verifies the authenticity of an entity on the internet. It is typically used for secure communication. It is a standard for protocols like SSL, TLS for secure web browsing, and it contains a couple of informations inside it, like the digital signature and other. So the first thing you need to do is decode the input certificate, which is in string. You need to decode it from base 64 into raw binary data. This is into this NS data. This is the certificate that we pass on as a parameter, and for these options you just use some base options. After that we need to prepare options. Options, it is a dictionary that is intended to be used as an argument for options. After that we have items array, which is of type optional array, and this line here, it attempts to import pkcs formatted data. The imported data is stored in the items array. So we used decoded data, which is our certificate, options that we here prepared, which is empty dictionary, and items with this sign. After this line is executed, we will probably have something in items. If items are empty, then we can say that the certificate is not valid. Then we initialize new array, the array with this items array. After that, we need to extract sec identity and private key. So this couple of lines are crucial in this function. At the end, we just return our private key. Here I prepared result key. We will invoke this function, save its value into variable result key, and print it to see if we have some result. So this crucial bit of code is to first thing we check is that security error is equal to no error. There is no error. The array, this one here, should have at least one item. After that we cast the array into NS array. We name it new array. From this new array we take object at first place at index 0, and then we get sec identity from this dictionary. We cast it to sec identity, and then we invoke this function with sec identity and key ref. We initialized key ref here with nil. It is an optional of sec key, and this sign, we need to add this sign here. So after this line is executed, we will probably have something inside this key ref. We can again check if result is not error set success, then we can set key ref into nil. If the result is success, then that means that we have something in our key ref, that's our sec key, and we just returned its value. So now I will try to run this code, and as we can see, we successfully got a sec key from our x509 certificate. You can use this method, or you can modify it if you need to achieve something similar like this. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.